Hello, everybody. Martika here with Martika J Makes. Welcome to my channel where I talk about all things sewing. So, it is October. Not only that, let me tell you, it's my birthday month. Okay, it is my birthday month, and I am so excited about that as well. So, as a lot of people do, I just celebrate all month for myself in little tiny ways. Okay, yes, I let my family do the bigger celebration, but for myself, I'm constantly treating myself throughout the month. So, yeah, pretty excited about this month, but I am also excited about the things that I am sewing. You know what? I do not have anything in mind to sew for my birthday. I'm just going to be honest with you. If I do, you know me, I love to lounge. So it would probably be something comfortable that I could lounge in. I am planning on like for my birthday weekend, which is this weekend. I plan on doing like brunch. Plan on doing dinner. I don't know what else I'm gonna do. I may go and get a massage. Heck, I might go to the chiropractor. I might go get a pedicure, something that I haven't done in a minute because I usually take care of my own. But yeah, I just don't really have like a big party or anything like that planned where I would need to dress up. So I'm just going to chill, just gonna relax and enjoy being alive, and yeah, just enjoy life. So what I have planned for the month of September is really some things that I need. Okay, I am all about what my closet needs right now, and right now I am in need of some trousers. Okay, some trousers. I'm in need of like some jogger sets, or some really cute two-piece sets, and I'm in need of some tops. I'm always in need of tops. Okay, I would say that I would probably do later on if something catches my eye, maybe a dress or a skirt. But right now, where I am, it gets really cold towards the end of fall and into winter. So, yeah, I'm all about being covered right now. But I need some things that I can really mix and match with. So, the first thing that I am doing, and I'm actually working on it right now, are some trousers. And I am a part of the Sew It Academy with Mimi G. I have been for years now, okay, for years. So inside the Sew It Academy are these trousers. There's some pleated trousers that is shown and it shows us how to sew them. But Brittany J. Jones, she shows us how to sew these trousers, and I will show them to you right here. So I said that would be really cute. It's something that I could wear to work. It's something that I could throw on a really cute t-shirt with, and some tennis shoes, a really cute belt, and just go and really look the part. Okay, look casual but not too casual, and then it's something I could dress up if I wanted to. So I could definitely do that as well. So I am definitely working on these right now. I actually cut out my PDF. I did a shorts on showing myself. I was literally, y'all, in my bed cutting out my PDF pattern, which is what I do a lot of times. Either I'm sitting in the bed watching a movie, or I am sitting in my recliner and cutting it out. But it's something that I personally enjoy. And I know a lot of people say, I hate PDFs. I don't like them. I love them. Okay. I guess it's the arts and crafts side of me that just love cutting, the edges off and trimming out that paper and then taping them, or gluing them together with the glue stick. I guess that's just that part of me. But I do it at a time when I'm really relaxed. Okay. When I'm not in a rush or anything like that. I might turn on some music and just enjoy the process, or I will most of the time turn on a movie or a TV show that I enjoy and just enjoy the process. Okay. So I did get that done. I got it taped together. I cut the pieces apart, and now I just have to actually trim around, cut it down to my size. So that is what I'm getting ready to do. But the fabric that I am making those trousers out of, because they are needed. If you saw my Hobby Lobby um fabric haul, then you will know about this black stretch twill that I scored at Hobby Lobby. Okay. That was on clearance. So I got like, I probably got about 8 yards of it. Okay. I got 6 yards and then I went back a couple of days later. They only had 2 yards left and I bought it. All right. It was like $4 a yard. So I'm going to use this black stretch twill and, it's a really nice fabric. Okay. I do plan to make some other things with that black stretch twill. I plan to also make a blazer. Okay. Something I can put on not only like with these black trousers, but with some other things as well. So I do plan to make a black blazer with this stretch twill as well. And another thing while I'm on the trousers, I just fell in love with this pattern when it came out. And of course, I still have it, have not cut into it like most of my patterns. But this is McCall's 8206 and it's view C, what I'm looking at. I kind of fought with that for that black stretch twill between this one and the one inside the Sword Academy, but I decided to go with the one inside the Sword Academy for that. However, I'm still on this one here because I just love these. I love these. I love it like with the cargo pocket. You know, it's just, these are just some really cute pants. Look at those. Very, very cute. So the fabric that I plan to use with this is this camo right here. Okay, this cotton camo, and this too is like a twill, but it is some gorgeous fabric. And if I'm not mistaken, where did I get this from? I have had this for a long time. Y'all know me. If I'm showing something that I haven't shown in a recent haul, I've had it a long time. And I know I've had it for over a year. If I'm not mistaken, I think that I got this too from Hobby Lobby on clearance. And if I'm not mistaken, I think this is like $3 or $4 a yard as well. And I bought quite a bit of it. So I probably have about 6 yards of this as well. So might even have 7 yards of it, but I do plan to make those trousers with this. Okay, so view C in this camo print. Now I do have other camo pants. I just love camo. I think it's a plus. You can wear all kind of colors with it, but I think that would look really, really cute. And I'm also looking at making a jacket as well. Okay, so yeah, that is what I'm going to do with that. Now I remember I asked my husband a long time ago if he would like a camo jacket. And I thought he said yes, but I'm gonna double check. He might get a different camo because I'm gonna make my stuff first. But yeah, that's what I'm going to make out of this. All right. So that is my plan, my second plan for this month. Now, another plan, and I don't really have a fabric picked out for it yet because I have so much knit. I was not getting ready to try and hone down what knit I'm going to use because I'll probably end up making several. But it's another one that I recently picked up, and it is McCall's 8052. And it's these simple cardigans just to overlay, over some leggings, a t-shirt, put on some boots with it. We are getting to the like boots and sweater weather, but for me, I love light sweaters. So a lightweight cardigan, with a t-shirt underneath, things that I can layer and peel off. I really enjoy that. I love this sleeveless one that I could wear like with a long sleeve shirt to act as a part, of the outfit itself. I love that, all together. So I could see myself making that in like for one, like that color, like that taupe or khaki color, and then maybe one in a white and one in a black, some neutral colors that I can layer with some other solid colors in it, and it really match, and I can put on with like black leggings or gray leggings or whatever leggings that I'm wearing. So yeah, I just thought that this would be a very quick and easy pattern I was trying to see if it said it was easy. I'm pretty sure it's easy. It's a cardigan, y'all, seriously. So yeah, that is one that I'm definitely going to be jumping on. There's no notions that this pattern even calls for, just thread. So that has to be quick and easy. So I'll probably be making up several of these, depending on the knit fabric that I have over there in my closet, which is a lot. So yeah, those are my plans for October. Um, yeah, pretty easy, pretty quick for the most part. I am really, like I said, I'm really focusing on things that I really do need right now. Things that when I go to get dressed for work that I don't have, that I'm like, shoot, I need to make that. I'm really making notes of what I am looking for that I don't have in my closet. So that's kind of how I'm, planning that out. And so, yeah, I just want whatever I make to really work for me. I want things that I make to where I actually wear them, and I'm not just making them just to be making them. I used to do that in the past, and if I wore it, great. If I didn't, I didn't. But I am not that girl anymore. I want to be able to really wear and get a lot of great use out of what I make, just like this two-piece set that I'm wearing today, that you all have seen numerous occasions with the bottoms and this top here. Yeah, so I wear the things that I'm really enjoying. I wear them over and over and over again and really get good use out of them. So yeah, those are my October sewing plans. So I hope you enjoy that. Let me know what you're making. Let me know what you think about what I'm making. Let me know if you don't know, if you're trying to get some ideas, maybe some other people in the comments can help you out with that. So in saying all that, give this video a thumbs up if you have not already. If you have not, what is wrong? Give this video a thumbs up. And then if you haven't subscribed, I think you know by now that you should. All right. So I will see you all in the next video. And thank you for watching. Have a great one. Bye-bye.